Hello there. Welcome to the Pass for Future YouTube channel, your go-to resource to practice for IT certification exams and career advancement. Today, we'll explore the top 5 Cisco certifications that are perfect for beginners. Let's dive in and help you select your path to success.
First up is the Cisco Certified Technician, or CCT. This certification is ideal for those who want to support and maintain Cisco devices and systems. With a focus on essential networking concepts and troubleshooting skills, it's the perfect stepping stone into the world of Cisco. Next, we have the Cisco Certified Network Associate, or CCNA. This highly sought-after certification covers a wide range of networking fundamentals, including network access, IP connectivity, security essentials, and automation. It's a comprehensive certification that opens many doors for you. Number 3 on our list is the Cisco Certified Entry Networking Technician, or CCNT. It remains a valuable certification for foundational knowledge in IP addressing, network security, routing, and switching. For those interested in cybersecurity, the Cisco CyberOps Associate is a fantastic choice. This certification delves into security concepts, security monitoring, host-based analysis, and network intrusion analysis, making it perfect for entry-level security roles. Lastly, we have the Cisco Certified DevNet Associate. If you're passionate about the intersection of development and operations, this certification is for you. It covers software development, APIs, Cisco platforms, and automation, blending software skills with networking expertise.
Okay, these were the top 5 certifications for beginners to have a successful networking career. As you know, we help the awesome people like you to prepare for IT certification exams using accurate practice tests. Go on, visit passforfuture.com to try our demo practice questions and start your preparation for the upcoming certification exam.